Welcome to Combatarchery, Switzerland. Kaya Black K, 46 size, 60-pound throw weight, Incognito custom string. Those are Incognito white line in spine 400, and I showed you straight arrow fly with thumb throw, with Slavic throw. For me it's no problem. If you have problem and not a straight arrow flight, just try this side Khatra. I guess you know how it works. And when you shot Slavic, try to bring the string to this side, like this. No, don't pull like that, pull like this. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. See you next time.